welcome back to the weekly update from Tinseltown. From Kangana Ranaut making big revelations to producer Aditya Chopra recording his statement for Sushant Singh Rajput's case, Bollywood is stuck by an unruly whirlpool. So, let's have a look at the newsmakers of this week. As the days pass by, more and more pieces of information are being unveiled by the Mumbai police in Sushant Singh Rajput's case. Recently, YRF head Aditya Chopra was summoned by Mumbai police to record his statement. When Chopra was questioned about his film Pani, he said the film was not made because creative differences with Shekhar Kapoor and has nothing to do with Sushant Singh Rajput. As per reports, Chopra said that YRF was not approached by Sanjay Leela Bhansali to let Sushant work in Bajirao Mastani. Well, the time will tell us the truth behind the case. In connection to Sushant's case, film critic Rajiv Masand and film director Rumi Jaffrey were summoned by Mumbai police to record their statements. The critic was questioned by the cops, with some wild rumors even claiming that he was questioned about the negative rating that he gave Sushant's films. While on the other hand, reportedly in his statement, Rumi Jaffrey said that he was going to make a film with Rhea Chakraborty and Sushant, and also said that he came to know about Sushant's depression from Rhea about 6 months ago. Controversy's favorite child, Kangana Ranaut, is now stirring up storms and making jaw-dropping allegations in a recent tell-all conversation. Putting her Padma Shri on stake, the actress landed Bollywood bigwigs like Karan Johar, Mahesh Bhatt, Alia Bhatt, Aditya Chopra and many A-list stars for allegedly accusing them for Sushant's suicide. While trying to make her point that Sushant Singh Rajput's demise was systematic, she went to take jibes at Taapsee Pannu, Swara Bhaskar and Richa Chadha, who she called B-grade actresses. This was indeed some revelations, Kangana, but we still don't know what to believe. According to the latest update, Sanjana Sanghi had responded to Kangana Ranaut's team's allegation against her. Sometime back in a tweet posted by Kangana's team, Sanjana had been questioned as to why she had taken her own sweet time to defend Sushant when reports surfaced that he harassed her back in 2018, around the time of the Me Too movement was gaining momentum in India. Reacting to it, Sanjana said that nobody has the authority to judge if her response was fast enough or not. She added, "I had said more than enough about what happened." Furthermore, she said that it wasn't fair to call it a Me Too episode, as they both refuted the allegations. She also remarked that she did what was important for her and Sushant. Days have been gloomy in Bollywood since Sushant Singh Rajput's demise, but Ankita Lokhande is doing her bit to spread love and hope by lighting a diya for the late actor. Along with Ankita, Kangana joined the #Candle for SSR protest initiated by lawyer Ishkaran Singh Bhandari, who is said to be advising her in the Mumbai police's ongoing investigation on Sushant's suicide case. Not just that, Sushant's fans, friends including Mukesh Chabra and fellow celebs joined the peaceful initiative where fans light a candle to honor Sushant's memory and demanded for a CBI probe. That's all we have for today, folks. Keep watching E-Time for the latest news from Bollywood. Until then, be home and be safe.